Hey whores, let's make some tuna aguachile because I have most of the ingredients. My boyfriend's going to the store, but let's make. I'm gonna use this little Tupperware that I got. I've opened 2 so far. I gotta work fast because these cats, they attack. All right, I got the tuna in here. And by the way, I also pickled my cucumbers because I don't like bland cucumbers. I don't know how many tomatoes. I'm gonna use 2 fat tomatoes. Okay, we're gonna switch locations to over here. I spilled some tuna on myself when Money dropped it, so ignore that. My tomatoes that small because I love big bites of tomatoes. I used to eat them like apples when I was a kid. Tomatoes are just bomb. This is 1 tomato right here. This really does not. Pickled cucumbers, some cilantro. I have my avocado here for me for when I'm ready to eat. Now we're gonna make the blended mixture. We got the ninja here, so we're gonna use jalapeno, cilantro, ajo, garlic. I already cut the ends, 1, 2, 3, 4, because I like garlic. We're gonna squeeze all these limes. I have 6, which is 3 limes. I'm gonna squeeze all of them and I'll be back. Powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper. Let me go double check that I got all the ingredients. I did, so now let's blend. Now we taste test. Okay, so now pour your sauce. Mine looks espresso, like I think I got most of it. Now we mix. Ooh. Look at this. I need to add a little more sal and tapatio, but it's good. Okay, tapatio and sal. I say try it. I'm about to go eat. Bye.